In today's cooking lesson, I am making lima beans. In this pot, I have water and the beans soaked yesterday for 8 hours. They're cleaned and ready to go. On this burner, I'm baking my lima beans by preparing a base of olive oil, garlic, and onion. This base will go into the pan. So now we have some seasoning, and we'll add a little bit more seasoning to this mix. What I'd like to do is add turmeric and some other seasonings, such as a very, very fresh thyme. These seasonings will help the flavor. We're going to be boiling the lima bean base then for 20 minutes. And I'm setting it on high on a small burner. I hope you enjoy making lima beans.